In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a customer on Bill.com. Whether you're managing a small business or overseeing a department, keeping your customer information organized is key. Bill.com makes it easy to manage your clients, and today we'll focus on adding new customers to your account. First things first, let's navigate to the left-hand sidebar. This is your main navigation hub while using Bill.com. The sidebar is typically on the left side of your screen and contains various tabs you'll use to manage different aspects of your business. Here, you'll want to locate the Customers tab. This is where you manage all customer-related information. Clicking on this tab will take you to your master directory grid list. If you have a high volume of existing clients, you might see a long list here. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming. The interface is designed to help you manage everything efficiently. Once you're in the Customers section, direct your attention to the blue Add Customer button. This is usually prominently displayed to encourage adding new customer profiles with ease. Click on this button to begin the process of entering a new customer into your system. This action will open a form where you'll input the details of your new customer. Now, let's populate the primary customer profile details. This is where you add all the essential information about your customer. Typically, you'll need to enter details such as the customer's name, address, contact information, and any other relevant information that will help you keep track of your interactions with them. It's important to be as thorough as possible here. Accurate information will ensure that your billing and communications go smoothly. After you've filled out all the necessary details, make sure to review everything for accuracy. Double-check names, addresses, and contact numbers. It's easy to make a typo, and catching any mistakes now will save you time and hassle later on. Once you're satisfied that all the information is correct, go ahead and click the Save button. This action will add the customer to your master directory grid list, ensuring they're ready for any billing or communication needs you might have in the future. And that's it. You've successfully added a new customer on Bill.com. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your client base, ensuring that all customer information is up to date and easily accessible. Remember, keeping your customer data organized not only helps with billing, but also strengthens your business relationships by ensuring you're always prepared and informed. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and that you're now more confident in managing your customer information on Bill.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. We're here to help you get the most out of your business tools. See you in the next video.